Fed up with the subtitle struggle? Ever wished there was a magical solution? Well, guess what? We've got the ultimate subtitle hack that's about to blow your mind. Buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and get ready to ride the wave of the subtitle revolution.
Open Premiere Pro. Drag the audio to the timeline. Open the text panel, click on Transcribe. It will take time according to the length. And if you have cracked Premiere Pro, download the language pack from the link in the description. Click on CC button to generate subtitles, and you can customize it accordingly. Your caption have been generated. Now select them all and go to Essential Graphics. Here you can customize the font and its style. Next, it's very important to align it to center for further ease. Now when you're done, go to Graphics and Title tab and click on Upgrade Caption to Graphic. And now your subtitles have been generated. Select them, and you can put any pop or text effect. It'll also try to provide some in description. After putting the effects you have to nest the subtitles, and now you can place or rescale it as per you need.
And the subtitle magic begins. Consider subscribing for more of such epic content.